March 21st, 2021, 11:30 Sunday morning, about 53 degrees in Lilburn, Stone Mountain. And we are bringing you another Great A video. I don't know if you guys are as tired of watching Great A videos as I am of getting them and uploading them and posting them, but I've about had it with Great A's, or Great A videos. I like Great A's. There's a lot of fine Great A's, but I don't like videoing with them. But anyway, these will be two videos. I'm going to do one. I've got video from Stone Mountain down to, from Avondale down to Stone Mountain. I'm going to do a video from Memorial Drive to North Decatur Road, and then I'm going to do a drive which I do not have from North Decatur all the way through Emory and Rock Springs, and I may go down through Virginia Highlands. I'm not sure yet. I think I've got one of Virginia Highlands. I know I do, as a matter of fact. Somewhere. But yeah, getting off the Stone Mountain Freeway, coming up Memorial Drive. We're about to come under East Ponce de Leon. If we were to take Ponce here, we could turn left and go into Stone Mountain, and then go on down Stone Mountain, Lithonia to Lithonia through Green End. But and then to the right would take you into Clarkston, Decatur, Scottsdale, or Scottsdale, Decatur, Atlanta. But and I've got videos of those, so we're not doing that today. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. If you don't like them, please like, share, and subscribe. Anyway, I'm going to be pointing out a bunch of stuff that is long gone, and I think people that haven't been in the area in 20, 30 years will get to see it. And we have already passed two, the Hungry Fisherman, and then that barbecue place back there, whatever it was. I love that barbecue and the Hungry Fisherman. Here I am running my yap and past stuff. Up here on the left, there was an antique place that had a big old horse reared up, and I think he was for sale for a long time. Doug McCurdy Chevrolet was right here on the right. Stone Mountain Ford on the left. Memorial Motel was there on the left. Old Jimmy Venable Motel. Little cemetery there on the right. I think that antique place was right there on the left. I think my brother-in-law bought that horse one time, but then never brought it home, I think. Didn't have anywhere for it, didn't have anywhere to get it home. You know who you are. I won't mention any names, but you know who you are, bud. Coming up on Harrison, North Harrison to the left, South Harrison to the right. I'm sorry, just opposite. North Harrison to the right, South Harrison to the left. North Harrison, South Harrison. South Harrison will take you all the way over and dead end into Evans Mill. North Harrison ends up being Georgia 140. Goes all the way out through Waleska, Canton, out, all the way out to Armurchie, Dayersville. Ends in Armurchie on US 27. A lot of us will remember when Memorial Drive was a two-lane road, literally. Very nice drive from Avondale down to Stone Mountain. Up here in this shopping center on the left where the Walmart is, or no, right up here a little bit further, Thunderbird's a nice spot. Out there on the left. That is now East DeKalb campus of DeKalb Community School System. Coming up at this next intersection of the Plantation Restaurant, it had the tree that had the glass tube coming out of it over to the wishing well. We used to stop there and throw pennies in. We used to call it the peeing tree. Forgive the language, we used a little bit different word. But it was on that corner right there to the right. Over here to the left, there was, yes, it was the nightclub, the Stone Pony. And Steak and Ale was down here on the corner. You know, a lot of people remember the Stone Pony out there on the left. Dos Amigos restaurant was down here on the right. And I say, yeah, I remember when all this was rural, farms and 2-lane road. Back in the 50s. People that haven't been around here in 30, 40 years, of course, this has been 4-lane, I don't know how long, 40, 50 years now. But, got to be an old timer to remember the 2-lane Memorial Drive. When we get to North Decatur, we are going to turn right. And I will shut this video off. It'll be just a shorter video. Yeah, way before DeKalb College and DeKalb Tech. Rio Vista was down here in the flat. It'd get flooded. The original Pancake House has been there a long time. I can't tell you how long, but it's been there a long time. Yeah, Rio Vista was down here on the right in the bottom of the flat down here. I don't know what creek that is. I guess Indian Creek. It was up here, South Indian, North Indian Creek. So I guess that's Indian Creek here. Coming up here on the left, people will remember Jack's, the drive-in. And then in the shopping center, Manuel's Tavern was here for a long time. Yeah, Jack's was here on the left. Right there where the apartments are. Or motel, hotel, whatever it is. We're going to turn right up here and turn this video off. There you can see the DeKalb County Jail, the old jail and the new jail in the distance. That Advanced Auto Parts used to be an A&P a long time ago. I guess around 1972, we had a checker shot and killed right there. Okay, I'll be turning this off right now.